Just a quick demo of setting up the Carlson RT3 tablet with the docking station. So you can use this tablet in the field with the attachable keypad and the GPS pole or robot pole, and then come into the office, put it in your docking station and use as your computer. So it simply clicks out of here. That's your RT3 tablet. There's the ports at the back. So we'll simply take our large screen cable and plug it in the back here. We'll plug in our mouse. We'll plug in our power supply, which is our standard RT3 power cable, also in the back. And we'll click that into place. And there we have our tablet connected.